thought turns sharp or heavy, the outer world feels the tone. Discord reflects the inner state that was quietly sown. I notice where judgment lingered, where resistance took its stand. And I choose a different attitude, one that understands. Change begins with awareness, not blame or regret. I soften the inner posture and reset. A constructive state of mind invites balance and ease. Harmony grows through intention and a willingness to release. I cultivate a gentler focus, clear, steady and kind. Thought begins to reorganize and peace follows behind. What once felt tense and scattered finds order through choice. The environment answers alignment when I adjust the inner voice. I return to clarity and calm and let balance resume. Constructive thinking restores harmony.